Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Lock Cylinder installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. To complete this repair, you will need a T30 security Torx. Warning: we recommend removing the negative battery cable prior to installation. Begin by removing the bottom shroud mounting screws. Next, gently pry the upper and lower shrouds apart from one another and then remove them from the column. Remove the ignition lock retaining screw. Then, remove the lock by turning it to the accessory position and pulling it from the column while pressing the release button with a pick or similar tool. Note: the lock may get caught on the housing lever. Gently push lever down to assist removal if needed. Prepare to install the new lock cylinder by ensuring the spring is fully seated in housing and that the housing lever is fully seated by pushing it in gently. Note: the lever may need to be wiggled to seat fully. The lever should be about 4 mm below the outer surface when it is fully seated. Next, rotate new ignition lock to the accessory position. Push into the column to install the new ignition lock. Finally, reinstall the ignition lock retaining screw, column shroud covers, and the cover retaining screws. Verify free rotation of new lock through all positions. Reconnect the negative battery cable.